Why do 90% of kids gasp when they hear about a bird that hunted giant mammals? Because this bird was no ordinary feathered friend. Long ago, in open plains, a giant bird called the terror raptor stalked the ground. It couldn't fly, but it could run fast, with legs like tree trunks and claws sharp as knives. Its beak was curved and powerful, made to tear meat, not seeds. Parents and baby animals watched nervously when it passed. Scientists say it could stand taller than a basketball hoop and strike with surprise and speed. Imagine a bird that hunted like a wolf and fought with a bite like a lion. Want to know the one secret that made it so terrifying and surprisingly clever? Stay tuned to discover how it actually hunted.